Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video, we shall be looking at simultaneous equations using substitution method. If you missed our previous video where we explained the elimination method, you are free to click the link above to watch that method of solving simultaneous equation. Please don't forget to watch this video to the end, as there will be a practice question to check your understanding of the concept learned in today's video. So, to solve simultaneous equation, remember again that we are given two equations. This can be called our equation 1, and we call this equation 2. Okay, so today we shall be solving the equation using substitution method. Good. So the first step that we use to solve this question is that we have to make one of the variables in one of the equation the subject of formula. For example, if you look at equation 1, we have x plus y equal to 7. I can easily make x or y the subject in this equation. So step 1, we make one of the variables in either one of the equation the subject of formula. So let's use equation 1. Equation 1, I have x plus y is equal to 7. Now I want to make x the subject of this equation, so therefore I will move my plus y to my right hand, becomes negative y. So therefore I have x is equal to 7 minus y. So here is my equation 3. So the first step, we make one of the variable the subject of equation. Step 2, we put this equation into equation 2. So I can put equation 3 into equation 2. So step 2, put equation 3 into equation 2. Alright, so let's go. So equation 2, we have 2x, so 2x, x is 7 minus y, so 2 times 7 minus y minus y minus y equal to 5, equal to 5. So this is the reason why we call it substitution method, because of this step. So what next? I can decide to expand this bracket. So 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times negative y is negative 2y. Okay, I have minus y equal to 5. Alright, so what next? I have 14. Now minus 2y minus y will give us negative 3y equal to 5. What next? I have to make my 3y the subject. So what I do is this: I will subtract 14 from both sides. Okay, so subtract 14 from both sides. That will give us so here is equal to 5. So I will subtract 14 from both sides. Minus 14 minus 14. Alright, so 14 cancel out. 14 minus 14 is that, so I'm left with negative 2y equal to 5 minus 14 gives us negative 9. Alright, what next? The negative sign can cancel out each other, so I'm left with 3y equal to 9. So what next? To get my y, I will divide both sides by 3, so divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 cancel out 3, so I'm left with y is equal to 3 into 9 is 3, so my y is equal to 3. So I've gotten my value for y. So what next? I can decide to put the value of y into equation 3 to get my x. You can also decide to put it into equation 2 and you should get the same answer. So to get my x, let's put y equal to 3 into equation 3. So therefore I can put it in words. Put y equal to 3 into equation 3. That becomes x equal to 7 minus y. Now y is 3. So therefore x is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. So that is the value for x. So therefore I can say that my x is equal to 4 and my y is equal to 3. So this is our final answer. Again, to use the substitution method, step 1, you have to make one of the variable the subject or formula, and you substitute that variable into the other equation to get the value for one of the variables. And step 3, you can put the value of the variable into the equation 3 or equation 2 to get your final answer. So here is how we solve simultaneous equations using substitution method. Here is a practice question. You are advised to work out this question, and if you don't mind, you can send your workout or your solutions to this email address, and we shall respond and guide you accordingly. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.